All right, I'm gonna show you how to use your EverStart to jumpstart your vehicle. It's real simple to do. Only thing you want to do is grab your positive first. That's the red lead. And you want to locate your battery and put your positive on first. Always put your positive on first. So once you locate your battery, make sure you put your positive on and get a good connection. Make sure it is connected on the metal. Then what you want to do is get your negative. And if you can, ground this to the frame of your vehicle. You see right here, I'm gonna ground mine's right here. If you can't find that, a metal piece, just go straight to your battery's negative right here. So I'm gonna go ahead to my frame. I'm gonna put the negative on. And once I clamp that negative on, I'm gonna go to my EverStart. And here to the right, you see the jump start on off. Just push the button once to turn it to power on. Once you push the power on, you see that negative and positive. If you get a beeping sound, that means you got the things on backward, the negative and positive. But that's on correct. Hit it again, and you're going to see this motor symbol right here. It's ready to be jumped. So what you do, just go to your vehicle and start it up. Okay, once it's jump started, what you want to do is take your negative off first. Disconnect the negative terminal. Once you disconnect the negative terminal, you want to disconnect your positive terminal. That's it. That's how you jump start it.